How to deactivate voicemail on Android by turning off the call forwarding settings that can send unanswered calls to voicemail. Let's get started. First, open the phone app on your device. Tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner, then select Settings. Now, look for Calling Account or Carrier-Related Settings. Depending on your software version or mobile network, this option may have a slightly different name. Next, tap Call Forwarding and select the SIM card you want to manage if you're using more than one SIM. Here, you'll see options such as Always Forward, When Busy, When Unanswered, and When Unreachable. Open each active option and select Turn Off or Disable. This stops calls from being automatically forwarded through these settings. If you don't see the call forwarding option or voicemail continues to activate, the feature may be controlled directly by your mobile carrier rather than the phone settings. And that's it! You've now disabled the available call forwarding settings that can route calls to voicemail. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more simple Android tips and step-by-step tutorials.